Hey guys, my name is James Mason. In this video, I just want to go over 3 penny stocks that I see that should start making a uptrend over the next course of a few days. So, first one, ticker GLOW. Right here, it closed out at 20 cents. So, you can see on the Bollinger Bands, they start widening open and it's signaling that, you know, this is uptrending very good. So, and you can also see that with these 3 bullish candles. Now, the first level of resistance should be about right here at, you know, just right under 22 cents. But then we should, you know, see it run up to 23 cents based off of, you know, this last trading period. So, you know, where could this end up? You know, honestly, I'm not sure. I mean, it'd be nice if it got back up here to, you know, just right under 25 cents. But still, if, let's just say you bought in here at the top, which I would actually expect this to kind of consolidate just a little bit before it started running. But if you bought in here at the top and let's just say it came up here to this other resistance, that's 21%. So, you know, that would be pretty good in a swing trade. The second one, ticker BIOAQ. As you can see, you know, it had this good uptrend right here. Then it came back and consolidated on this EMA line. So this is a support. Now, you see it is uptrending right here. And at this point, it is 5 cents. So it should, in theory, could, or not should, it could go up right here. And that is 39% in gain. And I would honestly expect this to kind of start, you know, getting a resistance right up here at this green band. So 39% gain up to 7 cents. Good profit for a swing trade over the short term. Now, let's see. The third one, ticker PACV. If you look at this, you know, you can see how it went up over here and went over 5 cents. And then it, you know, took a dip, hit its low, had this massive candlestick, and uptrended to a little over 5 cents again. And then came back down here and it bounced off of this EMA line. So that acted as a support. So I would honestly expect short term it would go from right here at just a tad under 3 cents to start hitting that resistance at, you know, that green line at just a little under 4 cents. So that right there is 19% in gains. So if these would hit, those are outstanding percentages for a swing trade over the course of the next few days. Again, always do your DD and just keep up with your stocks and watch them. But in no way is this a guarantee that this will go up. But this is just what I see, and this is how I trade. So I hope this video can help you guys out. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.